This garden bridge, made from weather-resistant carbonized finished fir wood, looks quite nice with short posts on the side and a slight arch. However, it does take a bit of effort to put together. Screwing the posts and bottom supports together is fairly straightforward, but the most time-consuming part is attaching all of the individual planks to form the walking path. Make sure to line up the 3 support beams well before you start, and a power drill or screwdriver will come in handy. Once constructed, this 5-foot version of the bridge is about 59 3/8 inches long, 28 3/8 inches wide, and 21 3/4 inches high at the tallest post. You'll want to place it such that there is enough clearance beneath it so it doesn't move when you walk on it. The bridge claims to support a weight capacity of 450 pounds, and both kids and adults alike had no trouble trying to cross this bridge. Overall, this garden bridge feels quite sturdy, elevates the look of our garden with a fun bridge that kids love to stand on, and provides a functional benefit of making it easier to cross a small stream of water when it rains.